There are few places on Earth that capture the imagination quite like this one, a land of light, fire, and sea. This is Santorini, the shining crown of the Aegean, a place where beauty feels eternal. Rising from the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea, Santorini was forged by one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in history. Thousands of years ago, fire shaped this island, and from that chaos emerged something extraordinary. Today, the island's crescent shape, towering cliffs, and dramatic caldera stand as a reminder of nature's incredible power and its grace. From above, Santorini looks like a painter's vision. Whitewashed houses clinging to the cliffs, domed churches painted in the purest blue, and winding paths that seem to lead straight into the sky. Every corner of this island tells a story. The story of Oia, where time seems to stand still as the sun sinks into the horizon, painting the sea in gold and rose. The story of Fira, alive with laughter, the scent of Greek coffee, and the soft sound of footsteps echoing through narrow streets. And the story of Vigli, a quieter soul, where the world feels silent and endless, and the sea stretches into forever. Santorini is not just about the view, it's about the feeling. The warmth of the sun on ancient stone, the whisper of the wind over white rooftops, the distant sound of waves meeting the caldera below. Here, even time moves differently, slower, softer, in rhythm with the sea. As day fades to evening, the island transforms. The white walls blush in orange and crimson light, and every balcony becomes a stage for one of the world's most beautiful sunsets. When the last ray of sun disappears, the island glows, lights twinkling like stars scattered across the cliffs. It is a moment of peace so profound that words fall silent. But beyond its beauty, Santorini carries the heart of Greece, resilient, welcoming, timeless. Its people live with deep respect for their land and sea, their traditions woven into every meal, every smile, every song. The flavors of olive oil, fresh seafood, and local wine, grown in volcanic soil, connect visitors to the island's ancient soul. To stand on Santorini's cliffs is to feel small before something vast and eternal. It is to witness the meeting of elements, fire, water, earth, and air, in perfect balance. And in that balance, you realize something simple yet powerful. Some places don't just exist to be seen, they exist to be felt. This is Santorini, Greece, a dream painted in white and blue, a sanctuary of light and sea, a reminder that true beauty never fades,